Okay, so we have seen ICOs and we have seen the definition of ICO. Today, we shall be looking at some of the areas where you can actually find some ICOs. You might love ICOs because these are projects that, when it is handled by very good team, you actually make a lot of money from such kind of project in future because investors come in, they put in their money because they believe in the team. So where can you actually find ICOs? All right, you must you might love the idea of ICO. So, but where can I have it? So if you go to this website known as www.icodrops.com. All right. So if we quickly rush to the website here, let me quickly go to the website here known as ICOdrops.com. So if you go to ICOdrops.com, you're going to see some ICOs there when it's going to be launched. For example, you might have these ones are already active, but if you go to the website, like see active ICOs, upcoming ICO, ended ICO, whitelist. Sometimes you want to have a whitelist spot or you want to get to know about the ICO. So, but if you just click on the upcoming ICOs like this one, guys, you also have to be very, very careful here because you can also lose some money. All right. So each time you are coming to upcoming ICOs, just be very, very careful. So when you go to upcoming ICOs, you have these platforms here, not rated yet. Categories, the goals, some have not been given yet, but there are some, for example, like this one. You see their goal is to raise $3,200,000 by February. You know, this is a gaming one. Okay, so by February, they have not given their goal. And this one, you also have blockchain services, and they want to raise 5 million. All right. So this website basically teach you or gives you some of the ICOs and those that have actually ended. Some this one, like you said, it is the rating is high. Platforms, the goal not yet available. So you can just choose anyone, study it. These are the projects here. Study the projects, and if you feel that is something that you can actually do, then fine. You can actually do the ICO. All right. So the next area where you can also find ICO projects on the launch part of Binance, you also find some ICO project there. So if you go to this website here, right, you go to this website and Binance website, okay, you actually find some ICOs there on Binance launch path. All right, you're going to find a lot of ICOs there. That is projects, upcoming project. You'll be able to find lots of them there coming up. So these are some of the areas where you can find ICOs.